Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily connect your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro to your Android tablet. So you can see this right here is the good old Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Let me just show you the pen. So if we just go to the back right here, yes, this is the Tab S7 Plus. I don't know why I needed to prove that. And yeah, the process is insanely easy. As long as you just have an Android tablet, you should be good to go. So let's get started. So first things first, what we're going to do, I'm going to move the camera to here, and maybe not. So all we'll do is just open up settings, right? I'll just zoom in. And once we've opened up the settings application, we're going to tap on connections, Bluetooth, and you just want to stay in this area right here. Once you're in this area, you just want to open up your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro lid, and you just want to find the back. And at the back of both AirPods and AirPods Pro, there's this white button. You're just going to hold it down until you see white flashing on your AirPods. Now you're going to see the AirPods are going to start blinking, and eventually you should see AirPods Pro available to connect right here. Now I've actually already paired my AirPods to my Android tablet, so I'm just going to tap on settings and I'm going to unpair them. And now you can see available devices, Alpha's AirPods Pro, and as long as you have this white flashing right here, you'll be good to go. So make sure obviously you stop holding the back button once you see this white flashing, and so we'll just tap on our AirPods. Okay. And there you go, you can see now we have a green flash and we've successfully connected our AirPods or AirPods Pro to our Android tablet. Now there's some things you need to know. First thing is that sometimes this just doesn't work. I don't know why. It will work eventually. So what I recommend you do is if for some reason you get some connection error, restart your tablet and just try again. And really, that's all there is to it. And enjoy your AirPods. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.